Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to play Bingo Plus game in GCash. So let's start. I will give you the steps to do it. So the first one is you have to register account on your GCash. Okay, so you have to register the account. Then you have to verify your account before accessing to any GCash features. You must first validate your account. Okay, so first verification. Load your account. Okay, so you have to log your account and then start using for your desired transaction. When you do it, you can start using for many things, like for example bingo, another casino, something like that. Remember, this is only from Philippines. Okay, now when you do it, you can start playing, in this case bingo plus, and you can start register. As you can see, you can show my number to log in. You can also draw by any of stores here, withdraw and manage your funds free. So that is how you can do it, guys. It's very easy to register using the GCash and also, well, transfer money, withdraw the money without any problem. So I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us thumbs up to this